Most people suck at sales because they operate out of their wounded masculine energy. Pressurizing clients to sign up, making clients feel as if they are not heard or understood, and pushing your product, expecting your client to sign up immediately are all traits of wounded and toxic masculine energy. If you want to excel at sales, you will need to tap into your divine masculine as well as your divine feminine energy. When you take charge of the call, when you demonstrate leadership, and when you're able to communicate clearly about how you can serve your clients, you are operating out of your divine masculine. And when you lean in with curiosity, you make your client feel heard and understood. And when you show compassion and empathy, you are operating out of your divine feminine. Sales conversations don't have to feel unnatural. If you are experiencing some resistance in having the conversation, or if you are able to sense that there is some resistance from your potential client, you haven't mastered energetics. If you want to learn more about how you can have aligned sales conversation and lead with compassion and curiosity and at the same time close your sales, then make sure you do not miss my aligned sales workshop. Register now, link is in the bio.